kids, welcome to Maths class and today we'll do time. So in this chapter we will learn how to read the time और कैसे time देखते हैं. So here you can see Aman wakes up at 6 o'clock and he goes to school at 8 o'clock. He returned by 1 o'clock. So you have to write the time of Aman's daily routine कि वो कितने बजे उठता है, at what time he get ready and go to school, what time he come back, what time he had lunch. So you have to write the time accordingly. Next, reading and writing the time. We need clock to know the exact time. हमें time देखने के लिए किसकी ज़रूरत होती है? Clock की. You can see in the clock, this is the face of the clock. ये dial है, इस पे you can see the numbers from 1 to 12. 1 से 12 तक के नंबर होते हैं and you can see the clock have majorly 2 hands होते हैं और एक और होता है. So जो long hand है, that is called the minute hand. It goes round once in every hour. And short hand है, that is called hour hand. It goes round in the clock twice a day. Means पूरा एक जो clock का round है वो 2 बार लगाता है. And this one, this is the faster moving hand, that is the second hand. 1 hour में होते हैं 60 minute and 1 minute में होते हैं 60 second. Thin hand मैंने बताया था, that is second hand. It goes round once in a minute. 1 minute में पूरा एक round लगाता है. Here you can see this clock. Here the long hand, that is on 12, and the small hand, that is the hour hand, that is on 4. So time is 4 o'clock. Clear? Here you can see the hour hand is at 8, minute hand is at 12. Means time क्या हो गया? 8 o'clock. Here the time is 2 o'clock. Next is evolution time 10.1. Write the time shown in the clock. Here you can see the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12. जब भी minute hand जो होगा 12 पे होगा हम time को o'clock पे लिखेंगे. So time यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 3 o'clock. Next is draw the hand to show the given time. Time is 5 o'clock. That means the hour hand that should be on 5 and the minute hand, the longer one, that should be on 12. So time हो जाएगा 5 o'clock. Next is half past the hour. When the minute hand is at 6, half past पे minute hand हमेशा किस पे होगा? 6 में. Then we'll write the time is at half past. And the hour hand is between the two numbers. Then it is called half past the hour which the hour hand show. Here you can see the minute hand that is on 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So time कितना हो जाएगा? Time here half past 4 o'clock. The minute hand is 6 and hour hand is between 4 and 5. तो हम time कैसे लिखेंगे? Half past 4 o'clock. Here the minute hand is at 6 means half past पे लिखेंगे हम time पे and the hour hand is between 9 and 8. 8 and 9 के बीच में है तो time क्या हो जाएगा? Half past 8. Next is quarter past the hour. When the minute hand is at 3, जब 3 पे होगा then time is at quarter past the hour. So here you can see in this time clock the time is quarter past 2 o'clock means 2:15. So the minute hand, here you can see the minute hand is on 3 and the hour hand is just ahead of 2. 2 से थोड़ा सा आगे है तो time क्या हो जाएगा? 2:15 और quarter past 2 o'clock. Here the minute hand that is on 3 and the hour hand is just ahead of 7 तो time हो जाएगा 7:15 or quarter past 7. Next is a quarter to the hour. When the minute hand is at 9 then the time is quarter to the next hour. So here in this clock you can see the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is between 6 and 7. So minute hand कहाँ पे है? 9 पे and hour hand है 6 और 7 के बीच में तो time हो जाएगा 6:45 and we'll read time is at quarter to next hour means quarter to 7 o'clock. Here we'll read the time as 4:45 because the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So quarter to 5 o'clock. Next is evolution time 10.2. Write the time shown in the clock. So in this clock the time is 2:30 because the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. So we can see half past 2 or 2:30. Clear? Next is draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. So here the time is 5:30. So the minute hand would be at 6 and the hour hand is between 5 and 6. Clear? Next is AM and PM. There are 24 hours in a day. एक दिन में कितने होते हैं? Total 24 hours. The hour hand takes 2 rounds of the clock one day because there are 12 numbers. तो 2 complete round लगाती to complete the 24 hours. The time between 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock afternoon means 12 o'clock midnight से 12 o'clock afternoon के time को हम read करते हैं AM में, यानी कि anti meridian. And the time between 12 o'clock afternoon to 12 o'clock midnight, that is called PM, means post meridian. Next, we'll take an example. Convert the following time in AM or PM. I go to school at 7 o'clock morning. So 7 o'clock morning, we'll write it as 7 AM. AM and PM is not written with 12 o'clock. Next is evolution time 10.3. Write the following using AM and PM. 5:30 in the morning, so we'll write 5:30 AM. Because morning का है. Next, at which time we do the following activities using AM or PM. I wake up at 7 AM. Next, days of week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is the first day, second is Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Total 7 days. Today, yesterday and tomorrow. Today is the present day, means आज का दिन. Yesterday means day before present day, आज से पहले वाला दिन. And tomorrow means जो कल होगा. Tomorrow is the day after the present day. Clear? Next is evolution time 10.4. Fill in the blanks. Tuesday comes after. Tuesday किसके बाद आता है? Tuesday comes after Monday. Next, fill in the blanks. If today is Monday, then tomorrow will be. अगर आज Monday है तो कल क्या होगा? Tuesday. Next is months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. All months don't have the same number of days. There are total 365 days in a year. And in leap year, there are 366 days. That comes after every 4 years. Leap year आता है. So, 12 months, that are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. January में अगर हम देखें 31 days, February 28 or 29, March 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31 days, November 30 and December 31 days. Facts about the month of the year. There are 7 months in a year जिसमें 31 days होंगे. There are 4 months in a year which have 30 days. February has 28 days in the normal year and in leap year it has 29 days. The year that have 360 days जिसमें year में 366 days होंगे वो क्या कहलाएगा? Leap year. Like 2000, 2004, 2008, after every 4 years. That is a leap year. Next is evolution time 10.5. Fill in the blanks. The year start with month of January. Next is fill in the blanks. The Teachers' Day comes in the month of. Teachers' Day comes on September. 5th September we celebrate it as Teachers' Day. Next is calendar. So, this is the calendar which shows you months, days and date. जो आपको बताता है कि कौन से मंथ में कौन से डे पे कौन सी डेट होगी. By looking the calendar you can easily tell. So total 12 months का कैलेंडर आपको यहाँ पे given है. Next is evolution time 10.6. Look at the calendar of this year and answer the following question. On which day is your birthday? तो आपको बताना है कि आपका बर्थडे किस डे को है कैलेंडर में देख के. Next is mental zone. If today is Wednesday, अगर आज Wednesday है, then yesterday was, कल क्या था? Tuesday. Next is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. There are 7 months in the year which have 31 days. So A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया. Now to practice it.